Hello everyone and welcome to my balcony garden. In today's video we're going to be looking at Narcissus Tete-a-tete, this beautiful dwarf daffodil. It's one of the most popular varieties of daffodils that exist today. We're going to look at how they grow and how to care for them when they've been planted in pots. So let's get started. Tete-a-tete is, as I mentioned before, a hugely popular variety. I actually heard that it is the most popular daffodil variety that exists. And I'm sure that has to do with the fact that they are, apart from being beautiful, they are so easy to grow and to care for. They're hardy, they're deer resistant. If you're a beginner gardener, you're going to have loads of success with them. They're so versatile. You can plant them in the front of mixed borders, you can put them into containers, hanging baskets, as houseplants in your home. When they're planted into the open soil, they naturalize freely, so they produce these offsets. So if one year you plant a few bulbs into the soil, in a few years' time you're going to have this sea of tete-a-tete, beautiful green foliage and these little flowers bobbing around, and so they're good value for money as well. They grow to about 20 centimetres tall, although I have to say this stalk here is well over 30 centimetres. Anyway, I'm not complaining. And at the end of each stalk they produce 1 to 3 bright yellow flowers, this typical daffodil flower that we all know and love. And this is where the variety gets its name from, tete-a-tete. You've got 2 to 3 sweet little flowers with their heads next to each other, looking like they're having a little gossip and putting the world to rights. The flowers are about 6 centimetres wide, and the parent segment of the flowers, so basically the petals, are slightly reflexed, so they're arching back away from the centre of the flower, and they're a paler yellow. Then in the middle of the flower we've got this beautiful cup or corolla, and it is this vibrant yellow colour. Tete-a-tete are early flowering, so we'll start to see them in about late January to early February. They're going to flower maybe about until mid-March, which is when the flowers will then die back. The foliage will continue to photosynthesize. It's going to produce food and then store this food in the bulbs before they go dormant in summer. And then come autumn, the whole process starts again. So now we know a little bit more about our tete-a-tete, how amazing they are. How do we care for them when we're growing them in pots? When we're growing them indoors, place them on a bright windowsill, preferably in a cooler part of your home, as the flowers are going to last longer. Remember, this is a cool season plant, so it does prefer cooler temperatures. Make sure that the soil is moist but not saturated, depending on how warm your house is. For your pots indoors, I would maybe water them at least once a week, maybe up to twice a week. Never have the bulb sitting in water, as that can lead to bulb rot. Once flowering is over, place your bulbs outside in a sunny but protected position where the leaves can grow and photosynthesize, produce enough food to store in the bulb before they go dormant in summer. For outdoor bulbs, so for pots that have been outside all winter, it's basically the same care. Make sure that the soil is moist but not saturated, that the pots are never sitting in water. Daffodils like a lot of sun, so place them in a sunny but sheltered position. And once the bulbs start to flower, make sure you water them twice a week. So that was how to care for your tete-a-tetes grown in pots. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, support the channel by subscribing. I hope you're all staying safe and well. I send you all my good wishes, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.